everybody, it's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And in today's video I am going to be installing this glueless bob wig in a honey brown color. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I had picked up this wig from Sam's Beauty with my own money. But this wig is basically designed to just pop on your head. It comes with this built-in elastic band, so you don't need to glue on the wig or anything like that. You just pop it on your head. But it does come with a 13 by 4 lace wig. I think, let me check the box. So I have the box right here. It is an upscale 100% human hair glueless pre-plucked 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and it is in the color honey brown, and it's a layered bob with a bang 14-inch. So I don't think that it is a HD lace, but besides me smoothing out the top, which you guys are going to see in a second, that's all I basically plan on doing, and cutting the lace. And I do have somewhere to go. I swear nowadays I only really put like a generous effort in my appearances when I have like somewhere to go, like if I'm like going out to eat or something like that. The hubby and I are going to Red Lobster. So you know, we about to get that endless shrimp deal or whatever. So I'm about to try on this wig right now, and hopefully she's a winner. Like I have to get used to the color or whatever. But I feel like it's gonna be a cute color. So I think I'm just going to, I feel like I should cut off the lace now. I don't think it'll matter. So let me move this big old box out the way. This is the inside, in case you are wondering. This is that already built-in elastic band. It also has the typical 3 combs, the 1 in the back and the 2 on the sides that nobody really seems to use. But I'm about to pop this on my head. We'll try to put it up into place. Okay, I don't know why it's kind of giving me, broke a nail. I don't know why it's really giving me like Anchor Lady or something like that. It's giving like Anchor Lady or something like that. I don't know. I think I'm just tripping. This looked better from the first time that I had tried it on. The top is a lot flatter. And I wouldn't bring it down here, but I think I will add some concealer to my part. But I might do that in like the very end. But just going to cut away this lace. Wig is definitely big head friendly, y'all. I am a part of the big head club. Allegedly, they say that all of the pretty girls have big heads, so I guess I can live with that or whatever. So I'm about to take out these clips and see how it is looking. I didn't cut off all of the lace. I just cut off most of it. I didn't cut off all of it. So I have the wig on my head. I think that is looking good. I love the back of the wig. I love the cut of it and everything. I feel like the bangs are a little bit too long, and I'm kind of scared to trim them. I feel like I need to cut off just a little teeny tiny bit of the bangs. Between these lashes and these bangs, your girl can hardly see nothing. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's better. That's better. Put like a little bit more of like a bump up in them, and then I think that I am good to go. Ooh, I went super bump. I went old school bump with the bang. Like I have to get used to it because it is a banged wig in the color. But I think I am feeling it. Let me know what y'all think down below. I had to run all the way upstairs to grab my concealer, because I guess I want to add a little bit to this middle part. I'm just going to tap it in. So let me know what y'all think of this hair. This is probably going to be like the quickest wig video, or one of the quickest wig videos on YouTube. But let me know what y'all think. I'm just bumping these ends a little bit. I feel like I can experiment with this wig too. If I want to change the color, I can. I like the back how it is, but I don't know. Should I do a bump in the back? Just a little bit. I feel like a bob is perfect for a summertime look because the hair isn't all up on your back, super heavy, making you hot or anything like that. Probably wish that the bangs were a little bit heavier. I probably can create like some more bangs. I probably can create like some more bangs if I wanted to, but I ain't doing that in this video, y'all. So let me know what y'all think. This video is super simple. I was prepared to tint my lace a little bit, but I don't think that that's like super duper necessary. I might add like some bobby pins to like the sideburn area, but let me know what y'all think down below. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and until next time, y'all, take care.